Lots of customers ask us about success rate on our controllers, and the success rate that we have is about 80%, maybe 85%. So it's not 100%, and whoever tell you they have 100% success rate on those repairs, then he most likely lying to you, just so you know, guys. So do your research. But yeah, if somebody tells you we have 100% success, then make sure you check and do your research part. They put some coat insulation in there, so it's a little bit challenging to remove. Эй, как дела?
Боже, как у него здесь все целый...
I think we got it all. Okay, this board is fixed as well. I just have to clean it. And 2 boards out of the door. Good. Where's my brush? Where's my brush? Oh, dirty. This goes back. This one's fixed. Okay. I believe this is a sauna board, and this is all fixed up. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.